Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see a very delicious dhaba style Punjabi chicken curry recipe, which is tari wala chicken. Well, tari means curry, and this chicken recipe with a combination of spicy and tangy flavors is popular in all Punjabi household. So friends, let's get started with this delicious chicken recipe. So here I have taken 12 chicken pieces with bones, and now I'm going to marinate them by adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, which is a combination of Kashmiri as well as red chili powder. Next goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and finally a small bowl of curd or dahi, say around 2 tablespoons. Now mix all the ingredients well over the chicken pieces. And we will let the chicken marinate for at least 1 hour. And now we will see the ingredients required to make the chicken curry. For that you will need some whole spices like 2 bay leaves or tej patta, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 black cardamom or bari elaichi, 2 green cardamoms, 2 to 3 small cinnamon sticks or dalchini, 4 to 5 cloves or long. Then you will need 4 large garlic pods chopped, 1 medium portion of ginger cut into juliennes, 2 green chilies according to your spice level, 2 large tomatoes finely chopped or pureed, 2 large onions finely chopped. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat some oil, say around 2 tablespoons in a karhai. And when the oil is hot, we will add the whole spices one by one. Stir them once. Next goes the finely chopped onions. Then goes the ginger, green chilies and garlic pieces. And we need to saute them until the raw smell goes away and they turn golden brown. So as you can see, the onions, ginger garlic have turned brown, and now we will add the finely chopped tomatoes and we will saute them for 2 minutes till they become soft and mushy. And now we will season them by adding slightly less than 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin powder, and on medium flame we will saute all the spices well. So by now the onions, tomatoes and the spices has been fried well. Time to add the marinated chicken. Now increase the flame to high, and we need to fry the chicken well along with the spice mix or masala for at least 4 to 5 minutes by continuously stirring them. So I have been frying the chicken for almost 5 minutes. And now I will reduce the flame to low and cover and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. After about 6 minutes, we will check the chicken. The chicken is well fried and coated with the masala and has become very juicy. I'll now add some water. Give this a mix. And now again we will cover and cook the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Let's check the chicken. It's almost 10 minutes now. And the chicken should be well cooked by now. I will check with a fork, and the chicken is very soft and tender. That means the chicken is well cooked. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dahi or curd, which has been whisked well. Mix the curd or dahi really well with the chicken curry so that they combine well. So by now our tari wala chicken curry is almost ready, and the curry has also thickened slightly. But before turning up the flame, I'm going to add some fresh cream, say around 1.5 tablespoons. And 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix this well. And we will let the chicken simmer for just 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Finally, I'm going to garnish the chicken curry with some chopped fresh coriander leaves. Give this a mix. That's it. Our delicious tari wala chicken is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our spicy and tangy tari wala chicken curry on the serving bowl. Enjoy this delicious chicken curry recipe with roti, paratha, naan, or even with steamed rice or pulao. So I hope you will try this chicken recipe. Also, do share your feedbacks in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.